Hello, it's Patrick from Bitsman. Let me introduce you to Bitsman 400 mini skid steel loader with many attachments. Here is the hammer, here is the blade, here is the auger, here is the grab, here is the 4-in-1 bucket, here is the backhoe, and here is the snow blower. All these attachments are available on Bitsman website. Just have a look on them and we will be very glad to make a deal with you.
Hello everyone, this is Amelie from Bitsman Shandong Machinery and asking for the mini skid steer loader. Okay.
On the production line of the Bitsman 300, you see they are still on the chain, ready to be shipped. All the Bitsman 300 production line is here, made here with big materials and big okay. Our stock is very important and we ship very fast. So the engines are here and no worry, we will ship your mini skids very fast. It's okay, if you need only 1 unit, we can ship it to you very fast. The packaging is iron frame with protection, plastic protection. It's okay, you will receive your mini skid steel loader Bitsman 300 very quickly.